Okay, folks, here we are. What we're looking at is the latching reed switch on the DC fan commutator. Okay, in the background here you see a red LED which is making continuity through the switch. Now I'm just going to turn it a little bit and watch. You can see the LED going on and off, and you can see the action on the latching reed switch, okay, which is mounted on some bamboo braces here. Here we see the rotor in the background, and over here I have my speed control, potentiometer and MOSFET. I'm just going to swing it around so you can see the action. You see that? You can see the reed switch in the foreground and the LED in the background. Okay.